your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces into havens of style and comfort. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly transform your outdoor space. Landscape retaining wall design. If you have a sloped yard, or simply want to add some architectural interest and functionality to your garden, you're in the right place. We're going to explore what retaining walls are, their incredible benefits, how to decorate them to perfection, and the best materials to use. Plus, stick around for our top 10 best landscape retaining wall design ideas. So, what exactly is a landscape retaining wall? Simply put, it's a structure designed to hold back soil and prevent erosion on sloped terrain. Think of it as a vertical barrier that helps create level, usable areas in your garden. Beyond their primary function of managing slopes, retaining walls have evolved into a key element of landscape architecture, adding both beauty and practicality to any outdoor setting. They can define spaces, create raised garden beds, or even form seating areas, turning challenging topography into stunning design opportunities. The benefits of incorporating a landscape retaining wall into your design are numerous. Firstly, and most importantly, they combat soil erosion. Sloping land is prone to soil runoff, especially during heavy rains, which can lead to a messy yard and even damage to your property's foundation. Retaining walls prevent this, keeping your soil and your plants exactly where they should be. Secondly, they allow you to create flat, usable areas on a sloped property. Imagine turning an unusable incline into a beautiful tiered garden, a level patio for entertaining, or a safe play area for children. They also enhance drainage by redirecting water flow, preventing pooling and potential water damage. Aesthetically, retaining walls add significant visual appeal and structure to your landscape. They can define different zones within your garden, provide raised planting beds for better visibility and access, and even serve as built-in seating, creating a more dynamic and inviting outdoor living space. In essence, they transform challenging grades into functional and beautiful garden features, boosting both the usability and value of your home. Now, for the fun part. Decorating your landscape retaining wall to make it truly shine. This is where your creativity can really come alive. Planting is probably the most popular way to soften the hard lines of a wall. Consider cascading plants like creeping phlox, prostrate rosemary, or even certain varieties of sedum that will spill over the edge, adding texture and color. For taller walls, you can create pockets for planting or use climbing vines like ivy or clematis that will gradually cover the surface, transforming it into a living wall. Lighting is another fantastic way to enhance your retaining wall. Integrated LED strip lights along the capstones or uplights positioned at the base can create a dramatic and inviting ambience, especially in the evening. Don't forget about adding decorative elements like wall art designed for outdoor use, small sculptures, or even water features that can be incorporated into the wall itself for a truly unique look. The key is to blend the functional structure with beautiful design elements that reflect your personal style and complement your overall garden aesthetic. When it comes to the best materials for landscape retaining wall design, you have a fantastic range of options, each offering unique aesthetics and benefits. First, concrete blocks or interlocking blocks. These are incredibly popular due to their versatility, durability, and ease of installation. They come in various colors and textures, allowing for a wide range of design possibilities. Second, natural stone. For a classic, timeless, and organic look, natural stone like granite, limestone, or sandstone is unbeatable. It offers unparalleled beauty and can blend seamlessly with natural surroundings, though installation can be more labor-intensive. Third, timber or wood. Treated timber, especially railroad ties or specially designed landscape timbers, offers a rustic and natural appeal. It's often more budget-friendly and can be suitable for lower walls or a more informal garden style. Fourth, gabion baskets. These wire cages filled with rocks or other natural materials offer a unique industrial chic look. They are very permeable, allowing for excellent drainage, and can be a sustainable option using locally sourced stone. Fifth, poured concrete. For modern and sleek designs, poured concrete offers endless possibilities for custom shapes and finishes. It's incredibly strong and durable, perfect for contemporary landscapes. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best landscape retaining wall design ideas to inspire you for your next project. Alright, let's dive and get ready to be inspired. One, graceful curves. Textured stone blocks embracing the landscape. This stunning retaining wall showcases a graceful, sweeping curve, adding a dynamic and organic flow to the landscape. Constructed from dark, textured concrete blocks, the wall has a natural stone-like appearance, blending robust functionality with an appealing aesthetic. It effectively creates a clear separation between the lush green lawn and a vibrant, elevated planting bed. Within this bed, a bold clump of tall, spiky green grass stands out, while other shrubs and flowering plants add depth and color. The design highlights how a curved retaining wall can soften the lines of a garden and lead the eye through the space, creating a harmonious and inviting outdoor environment. 2. Whimsical terraces. Layered stone with bursting blooms. This charming landscape features a series of curved, multi-tiered retaining walls constructed from irregular, rustic stone blocks, giving them a natural and slightly whimsical feel. The different levels create an intricate tapestry of vibrant planting beds, each overflowing with a delightful array of colorful flowers in shades of yellow, orange, red, and pink. The varying textures of the stone combined with the rich floral display create a dynamic and visually engaging garden space. This design exemplifies how retaining walls can be used to not only manage elevation changes but also to craft intricate and visually rich botanical displays, transforming a simple slope into a captivating spiral of color and life. 3. Stately serenity. Classic block wall with coniferous privacy. This image presents a majestic and long retaining wall crafted from light, neutral-toned concrete blocks, providing a sturdy and visually pleasing boundary. The wall creates a significant level change, allowing for a manicured lawn in the foreground and a raised planting area above. Along the top of the wall, a series of uniformly spaced, slender coniferous trees stand tall, offering a sense of privacy and vertical interest against the backdrop of a dense forest. The meticulous arrangement of the evergreens, complemented by lower-lying shrubs and yellow flowering plants at their base, gives the landscape a sense of ordered elegance and peaceful seclusion, ideal for a large residential property. 4. Tiered terraces. Cascading blooms and functional charm. This captivating retaining wall design features multiple, gently curved tiers constructed from light-colored, modular concrete blocks. The stepped arrangement not only effectively manages the slope but also creates a series of delightful linear planting beds. Each bed is adorned with a vibrant display of red and white annual flowers, adding cheerful pops of color that cascade down the wall. The base of the wall is softened by decorative gravel and carefully placed low-maintenance shrubs, enhancing the overall aesthetic. This design masterfully combines practicality with a playful floral appeal, demonstrating how even a utilitarian structure can become a beautiful focal point in a garden. 5. Modern elegance with clean lines and lush greenery. This design beautifully showcases a modern retaining wall constructed from sleek, dark gray concrete blocks, creating a contemporary and sophisticated feel. The multi-tiered structure not only manages the gentle slope of the lawn but also provides generous raised planting beds. These beds are meticulously filled with vibrant green shrubs and bursts of red flowering plants, adding a striking contrast against the dark blocks and a lively pop of color. The clean lines of the wall and the carefully chosen plant palette contribute to a polished and inviting outdoor space, perfectly blending functionality with minimalist aesthetic appeal. The dark fencing in the background further enhances the modern, private feel of the garden. 6. Warm and inviting terraces with rich timber sleepers. This photograph captures a beautifully executed retaining wall constructed from rich, warm-toned timber sleepers, arranged in horizontal layers to create distinct terraced levels. The natural wood grain and varied shades of the timber add a cozy, rustic charm to the garden. Each tier serves as a raised planting bed, generously filled with a variety of green shrubs and smaller flowering plants, creating a lush and inviting display. The vibrant green lawn in the foreground perfectly complements the earthy tones of the timber. This design is an excellent example of how timber can be used to effectively manage sloped areas while adding significant warmth and character to a landscape. 7. Industrial chic meets greenery. Gabion wall terraces. This image features an innovative and visually striking set of tiered gabion walls. These walls are constructed from wire cages neatly filled with varied natural stones, showcasing different textures and colors of the rocks. The gabion structure provides excellent drainage and a distinct industrial chic aesthetic that complements the lush greenery. Each level of the gabion wall is topped with meticulously manicured hedges, creating clean, horizontal lines of vibrant green that contrast beautifully with the rugged texture of the stone-filled baskets. This design is a perfect blend of modern and natural elements, offering a unique and sustainable solution for managing significant slopes. 8. Majestic curves and purple hues. Flowing landscape design. This expansive landscape features a magnificent, sweeping retaining wall constructed from light gray concrete blocks, creating a graceful curve that defines the edge of a lush green lawn. The wall provides a strong, clean line that separates the lawn from an elevated, richly planted garden bed. This bed is absolutely bursting with vibrant purple flowers, creating a breathtaking splash of color that is both striking and harmonious with the surrounding greenery. In the background, a natural stone staircase ascends a steeper slope, further integrating the various levels of the garden. The combination of the grand wall, abundant flowers, and natural elements results in a truly majestic and inviting outdoor living area. 9. Rustic grandeur. A natural stone waterfall oasis. This stunning landscape features an impressive retaining wall built from large, rugged natural stone boulders, evoking a sense of ancient grandeur and natural beauty. The highlight is undoubtedly the integrated multi-tiered waterfall, where water gracefully cascades over the rocks, creating a serene and captivating focal point. The surrounding area is thoughtfully landscaped with a variety of lush green plants and dark mulch, enhancing the natural, woodland feel. A charming paved pathway curves alongside the rockery, inviting exploration and offering a pleasant stroll through this meticulously designed outdoor sanctuary. The overall impression is one of a tranquil, resort-like retreat, seamlessly blending hardscape with softscape. 10. Grand entrance. Integrated retaining walls and staircase. This design showcases a sophisticated and functional integration of retaining walls with a grand outdoor staircase, leading up to a modern home. The retaining walls are constructed from light gray, interlocking concrete blocks, forming multiple elegant tiers that define the approach to the residence. The staircase, also crafted from complementary gray materials, appears seamlessly built into the wall structure, creating a cohesive and inviting pathway. Raised planting beds are thoughtfully incorporated along the base of the walls and steps, filled with low-lying green plants, adding softness and natural beauty to the hardscaping. This entire arrangement speaks to a well-planned and aesthetically pleasing entrance, combining structural integrity with contemporary design. And there you have it, 10 incredible landscape retaining wall design ideas that prove these functional structures can be absolute showstoppers in your garden. From modern minimalism to rustic charm, and from grand entrances to whimsical floral displays, the possibilities are truly endless. Remember, a well-designed retaining wall isn't just about holding back soil, it's about shaping your outdoor space, adding beauty, and creating new opportunities for enjoyment. Whether you're tackling a steep slope or simply want to add some tiered interest to your yard, we hope these examples have sparked your imagination and given you the confidence to start planning your own landscape transformation. Think about the materials that best suit your home's style, consider the plants that will thrive in your climate, and don't be afraid to get creative with lighting and decorative elements. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends who are planning a landscape project, And don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more tips, tricks, and inspiration for making your home and garden truly beautiful. Let us know in the comments below which retaining wall design was your favorite, or if you have any questions about starting your own project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.